So today we're going to unbox and fit this set of windscreen wipers onto our Tesla Model X. And the method of fitting onto the Model X is the same as the S and the 3 and the Y and probably most other cars available. So there's nothing unusual about it, fairly standard fitting. So I'll just show you how to do that. Now the advantage of fitting the wipers yourself is that you'll save a few pounds and you won't have to make an appointment at your local garage. So it's a very straightforward procedure and it'll take about 5 minutes. So I bought these wipers from the Tesla website. They cost £32 per wiper, and I think it's very much the same price in the US and all around the world. And the advantage for that is, one, you get a product that's made for your car, and second, you're assured of the quality, and third, it arrives to your door, so you don't have to go hunting for them. So I think you can get these cheaper from Amazon, no doubt about it. Probably about this set cost me £64 for two, £32 each, and from Amazon I think it would cost about I think it's £40 for the set for a similar brand. So there's a price difference, no doubt about that. So anyway, so this is the smaller wiper, and as you can see, it has a hose pipe with it as well, and the reason for that is that these wipers don't, the wipers in the Model X don't, the washer fluid does not spray onto the windscreen through traditional jet. It actually sprays onto the windscreen through the wipers, and if you can see just close up there, I don't know if you can see it there, but there are small holes along the wiper blade, and that is where the water is released from. And then there is a small pipe on the blade itself, on the arm rather, and that clips into here. And to release it, all you do is you pinch here and you push forward, and that should release the blade. It's fairly straightforward, I hope, and so let's demonstrate that. And if you do have a Model X, this is the part number for the longer blade, 700 millimeters, made in Mexico. And this is the part number for, sorry, that was the longer blade. This is the part number for the smaller blade, which is 450 millimeters, and again made in Mexico. Now, I have been told by a reliable source that the Model X has the second largest windscreen of a production car in the world, the largest being the Cybertruck. And if you don't know what a Cybertruck is, I'll put a picture up on the screen for you now. Yes, and this car does exist. If you haven't seen it before, it's quite unusually designed, but as it is for sale now in the US, Canada and Mexico, but nowhere else. But as I said, I'm sure that will come. So, onto the windscreen wipers for the Model X. First thing you do is you have to put this into service mode. So how do you put it into service mode? It's quite easy. You go to controls on the panel, you go to service, and you go to service mode, and when you go to service mode, the wipers should come up onto the windscreen, just like that. And then once you're finished, you switch it off service mode and you're back to normal again. So with the wipers in service mode, we're going to attempt to take off the first wiper. And as I said, what you do is you pinch, you lift the wiper blade up, as we've seen earlier, and it should come off relatively easily. But these wipers have been on for about 25,000 miles since the last time we replaced these wipers, so they might be a little bit stiff. And then, so we've taken off the blade. Now we have to take off the connection for the pipe. Where is that? That's a good question. I think you slide that down. I think there's a... So how do you take the pipe off? There is this clip here, which I think that you have to pull off at first. So you pull this clip off first, which is holding the pipe in place, like so, or you turn it 90 degrees, sorry, 45 degrees, and the connection is just here. Oh, there we go. That comes off like so. You can tell I've done this before, eh? So that's the connection, and then we just want to take this bottom section off. Hopefully just pull that off, pry it off. We don't want to pull on it just in case we snap the pipe, and that would not be, although that would be entertaining if you saw me do that, it certainly wouldn't be clever. So there we go, old wiper off, new wiper on. We're going to connect the pipe first, so we're going to push that right up, right underneath, and then we are going to clip it into place. So how we do that is we clip that into place, lifting the arm, hooking it under here, and then let the wiper press the tabs in, and then that should clip into place like so, and then slide it over. There we go. There we go. So there we go. So that's it, finished there. So one clip here, one clip here, and one clip down, one clip here, one clip here, and one clip here. When I say clip, they just literally slide up and down the pipe to keep the pipe in place, so the pipe does not get out of place when it's on. So there you go, that's the first one done. Now let's go on to the second one. This one should be easier, famous last words, but let's see how we get on with this one. So again, pinch from both sides. So pinch, and then release, a little bit of stretch in it, and then push. There you go, so you push the clip down. All you have to do is slide this clip down rather than turning it, and then the connection is exposed, and then you slowly peel off the lower pipe. Sorry, yeah, the lower pipe. You slowly peel off the plastic old pipe off. New one. We are going to again lift the arm, then put in the clip, and then depress the two tabs on the side, and then that clips in, and then after that we're going to connect the pipe in. Oh, it's not in yet. Yep, connect the pipe in and slide up the tab. So that should be, we don't need that one, we're keeping that one there. That should be it. Connected. And then let's do a quick test, just to make sure we have everything in working order. So there you go, that's how you change the wiper blades on a Tesla Model X, S, 3 or Y, and pretty much any other car out there. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, that would be very much appreciated, and I'll catch you in the next one.